Hello everybody, welcome back to the Drunken Sailor. I want to welcome back all our subscribers. We've had a couple new folks subscribing this week. Welcome to you. And for those of you that haven't hit the subscribe button, if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button at the end of the video. If you didn't like what you see, still hit the subscribe button. Maybe you'll see something you like farther on down the road. We're reaching overseas to London, a 1984 classic that was originally made by Dick Bradsell in London. So, with that,
let's get pouring.
we're going to start, somebody's anxious, with, and we're making a double batch here, about 10 blackberries. And we are going to start, our next is 3/4 ounce per cocktail. So 1.5 ounces of freshly squeezed lemon juice. That's going in there. Next we are going to use 1/2 ounce per cocktail of simple syrup. So we're going to use 1 ounce of simple syrup for this. And now we muddle those berries with our juice and our syrup. Look at that color. And now we need to put our alcohol in there. We are going to go for 2 ounces per cocktail of dry gin. Today we're using Bombay Sapphire. And the next ingredient is optional, but we're going to keep kicking that raspberry flavor in there. And we're using black raspberry liqueur. You can also use what they call Crème d'Amour, and that's 3/4 of an ounce per cocktail. So we're going to use 1.5 ounces, and that is going in the shaker. We now have the ingredients in the shaker. We are going to take a large piece of ice, put that in the shaker, and we're going to give this a very good shake to chill it down. So next we get our glasses out, and we're going to get ready for the pour. Crushed ice is going in each glass. And now we double strain. There's a lot of berry seeds and pulp in there, so we want to get those out. We're going to top with a little bit of tonic water. And then for a garnish, we are using 1/2 of a lemon with a blackberry. And there you have the Blackberry Bramble.
One of those for me?
Aren't they always?
It's one of my favorites. Cheers.
Cheers, everyone.
Cheers.